Hola! Welcome to Tongue-Tied Tales. Here, we read short Spanglish stories slowly and clearly to help you train your ears to recognize familiar Spanish words. Each story ties the two languages naturally, and the pace is perfect for listeners who want to follow along without feeling rushed. If you want a challenge, try to listen to the story without reading along. If you'd like stories with more Spanish or more English, just head to the channel and click on the playlist that fits your level. We've got something for everyone, whether you're just starting out or looking for a gentle way to practice both languages. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's story. The Boy and the Whispering Wind.
Elí tenía 9 años when his perro, Scout, went missing. They had been mejores amigos since Elí could remember. Scout with his ragged oreja and ojos that always seemed to understand, and Elí with a corazón too big for his small frame. Every mañana, they walked in el bosque behind their casa de campo. Scout chased ardillas. Elí imagined they were caballeros defendiendo un reino. But one noche con niebla in early otoño, Scout ran ahead and didn't come back. Elí called and called, his voz cracking in el aire frío, but there was only silencio. His padre searched too, linternas bobbing en la oscuridad, but Scout was gone. Días passed, then semanas. The bosque felt quieter without him. Elí stopped playing outside. He drew Scout instead. Docenas de pictures taped to his paredes del cuarto. His padres gently told him that sometimes perros don't come back and that maybe it was time to let go. But Elí wasn't ready. One afternoon, meses later, a strange viento stirred through the árboles, whispering, twisting the golden hojas in slow spirals. Elí, drawn by something he couldn't explain, followed it into the bosque. It carried a sound, soft, familiar, like a ladrido. He followed deeper than he'd ever gone, heart racing, until he found an old árbol split by lightning. There, tucked beneath its roots, was Scout's worn collar azul, mud-stained but still intact. Elí knelt, running his finger over the etiqueta de metal. He didn't cry. Instead, he smiled. Somehow, he knew Scout was gone for good. But finding the collar, hearing that viento, it felt like Scout had come back to say adios. Elí walked home and looked up at the estrellas, his pocket a little heavier and his corazón a little lighter.
And that's our cuento for today. Did you catch all the Spanglish magic? If your ears had fun, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Want more Spanish? Less Spanish? We got you. Hop over to the playlists and pick your perfect flavor. See you next time for another tale full of palabras, aventuras, and maybe un poco de locura.